Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a odd plus 4 F4 keys ported working problem in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. How can fix this preferer? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box first of all type a registry editor and open a registry editor. After opening the registry editor, first of all select the current users, HKey current user and expand it. After that, select a software and expand it. After that, find out a Microsoft and expand it. And after that, go down and find out a Windows. Now here is a Windows and expand it. After that, select a current version and expand it and find out the policies. So here is the policies. So right click new and select a default 32-bit value and set a name is no win keys. So set a name is no win keys. Open it and make sure that value data set is the 0. So okay, and close the registry editor and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.